In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart Amazon ads on KDP, a handy tutorial tailored for beginners. If you're delving into the world of Kindle Direct Publishing and leveraging Amazon ads to boost your book's visibility, knowing how to restart your ad campaigns can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, we begin by heading over to the Advertising console. This is your primary control room for all ad-related activities on Amazon. If you're not familiar with it yet, don't worry. Simply log into your KDP account and navigate to this section. It's important to note that having a good grasp of this console can significantly ease your advertising journey, as you'll regularly be managing your ad campaigns from here. Once you're in the Advertising console, the next step is to locate the paused campaign you want to restart. Maybe it was paused due to budget constraints, seasonal strategies, or just a momentary break you needed. Whatever the reason, the console allows you to easily sift through your campaigns. You'll find a list of all your campaigns, and typically, paused ones are clearly marked. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the right campaign to reactivate. Now that you've found the paused campaign, it's time to toggle the status to active. This is a straightforward action, but it's essentially where the magic happens. Look for the status toggle button or link associated with your selected campaign and switch it from paused to active. This simple flip will wake up your campaign and prepare it to start reaching the potential readers you're targeting. Just remember, before hitting that toggle, it's always good to double-check that everything is set just the way you want, including your budget and bidding strategy, to align with your current marketing objectives. Finally, once you've toggled your campaign to active, your ad resumes. Just like that, your campaign is back in action, vying for visibility in Amazon's vast marketplace. As your ad resumes running, it's wise to keep an eye on its performance metrics. These insights will help you fine-tune your strategies and optimize ad spend, ensuring you're getting the most out of your advertising efforts. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive way to restart your Amazon ads on KDP. If you keep this guidance close at hand, you'll find reactivating your campaigns can be both quick and intuitive. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Be sure to stay tuned to our channel for more insights and tips on making the most of your Kindle publishing journey.